Welcome to Applied Logics. In this video, we will write a program to add two given numbers which was provided by user. For example, if user says like 2 and 8 as the two input numbers, we will display that the sum is 10. If user says like 10 and 20 as the input numbers, in this scenario we will say 30 is the result of your operation. Okay, so let's see how we can implement it in Java. Okay, so you can see I'm creating a solution file, solution.java. Yes, and you can see a class over here. Inside that I'll be adding a main method, that is public static void main, and passing string array as the arguments to it. Okay, so here we have to do two things. First, we have to take user input, and second, we have to do the addition. So let's see how we can take the user input. So here we will make use of a scanner class. So for that, first we need to import that class. So I'll be adding that using import java.util.scanner. Okay, now here I will make use of that scanner. So scanner basically will, in our scenario, will take input from the user and pass this number to us for the addition purpose. So I will create an object of it like scanner sc equal to new scanner, and here you have to specify the source. So for now we will be using the terminal as the source. Okay, so I'll be asking user to put the two numbers in the terminal itself, and I will display the result back to the user. Okay, now how to collect the numbers from user? Here I will call the first number as a number 1, and the way you have to collect it is by using the scanner object, that is sc.nextInt. Okay, so this function will return you the integer which is given by the user, and for the second integer we have to do the same, like second you can do like number 2 equals to sc.nextInt. Okay, so in this way we will receive two numbers from the user. Now for the addition purpose, I am declaring a variable as a sum which is equals to number 1 plus number 2. So in order to calculate the sum of the two numbers, we have to make use of an operator called as a plus, which is quite similar to what we used to do in our regular arithmetic, right? In a math, if you want to add two numbers, we have to make use of a plus operator. So similarly, we have to provide the instruction to the you can say program or a computer to add the two numbers. Once you have this statement ready with you, the sum of the two numbers will get stored inside a sum variable, and you want to display the sum to the user. And how we can do that? We can do that by using println statement, which is system.out.println, and here you can mention that sum is, and then we can display the sum. Okay, let's go ahead and test if our program works or not. Okay, so I'm quickly opening the terminal. As you can see, here you will see only solution.java file as of now. So before running it, we need to compile the file, and I'm doing it with javac solution.java command, and you can see the solution.class file got generated. Okay, now let's run the code. So for running the code, you have to print java space solution. Okay, so I have entered. Now it is waiting for the user input. So let's add something like 100 as the first number and 200 as the second number. I'm hitting enter after that, and you can see we received sum is 300. Let's try one more example. I'm running it back. So I'm adding, let's say 45, and I'm hitting enter. So you received the first number. Okay, now you are adding you providing the second number. I have typed 20 and I'm hitting enter. Now you provided both the numbers, it will internally calculate the sum and it displayed it, so saying sum is 65. Okay, so with that, this is the function how you can take the input from the user and do the operation on it. Okay, so if you have any doubts regarding how we can take the input from the user or how we can do the operations like addition and others, you can feel free and go ahead, add the comment in a comment section. We will try to answer these comments or questions. Thank you.